So now we're doing a receive strength test. We have a nano VNA generating a signal through 50 dB of attenuation, and at minus 25 dBm, subtracting another 50, so at minus 75 dBm, at 1.9 megahertz on AM, we get an S9 on the analog meter. Turn off. Yep, and so that shows us our S9. And there's also S9 at 14.4. And there's an S9, minus 54, minus another 50, so minus 104, we get S1. And there's an S1 on the meter with a total of minus 104 dBm. This is 80 meters on FM. And we'll see here the slug is good from 2 to 30 megahertz, which causes on the 160 meter band and maybe even the 80 meter band to read just a little bit low on the meter. But it's due to the attenuation in the slug. And we'll do a key up test. We'll do another, there's 30 meters, key up. There's 10 meters, key up. Yep, and that shows just under 100.
You are 5-7 into my 4 parks in Greenbelt, Maryland, over.
Ah, very good.
Take care, 73.
73s.